Hi, this is Nikita representing MarvelSoft. Today I am going to show how to input a student details. To log in into our SchoolAdmin software, go to the browser, type the URL www.mschooladmin.com. Click on enter. Here the home page will be opened. Go to the login page. Add the username and password and click on login. Then the software page will be opened. When we log in into the SchoolAdmin software, go to the student information model. Click on the students. Here, student master page will be opened. In this student menu, we can add or import a student details. If you want to add a student details, here click on the add button. Here you can add the details of the students. For every student, you should do the same process for adding the details of the students. Other than this, there is another process which makes your work bit easier. For that, in this student menu itself, we can import a student details. To import a student details, click on the import button. Here, we have to select the class and section of the students, for which class and which section we are adding the students. Select the class. I am selecting the class here as pre-KG and section as A section. To add the class and section, for that we have to go to the master model. There in class and section menu, we can add the class and the sections, which I'll show later. Next, click on the add button. Here we need to select a file which we want to import. I'm selecting here is the pre-KG A section and click on the open. Here click on the upload button. Here you need to select the date format and analyze. Click on the analyze button and then click on the next. To import a file, the details of the students are analyzing. Click on the next and analyze, and here click on the import button. Here students imported successfully message will be displayed. If you want to see the students which you have imported, select the class and section for which class and section you have imported and then click on the find button. Here the student details will be displayed in the student master table which you have imported. While importing a student details, we selected a file. How that file is prepared, which I am going to show now. Firstly, we have to prepare a CSV file. To prepare a CSV file, first we have to see the format of the templates. We can see the format in the student menu by clicking on the download CSV template. Then go to the downloads. Open the file which we have downloaded now. By using this format, we can prepare a CSV file to import the students' details. We have to copy the template format and open a new Excel sheet, and here you paste the template format. Here you should add the student details like student first name, last name, date of birth, father's name, mobile number, student number, gender, email ID, so on, which I am going to show. Student first name is Nimisha, last name Nimisha, yes, and the date of birth. Student's father name, mobile number, student number, and the gender of the student, email ID, and the student admission number. And the student admission date, address, and the city, student mother name, and the religion, which religion the student belongs to, and the nationality of the student, and the mother tongue, and the application number, application date, father occupation, mother occupation, family members, state, zip code of the student, where they live, the area of the zip code, and the father mobile number, mother mobile number, birth state, birth district. These all we should add. Like this, we have to add all the student details which you want to add. You can add here. After adding the details, we have to save the file. So I am adding here only one file of student details. If you are adding many classes and sections of the student details, to clear your confusion while importing a file, for that you should give a file name as for which class and section you are importing. Like I am importing the file for pre-KG B section. By giving like this file name, will not get the confusion. And the file type should always be in CSV. So we should select a file type as a CSV, and we can save the file. Click on save button. Here you can save the file. The file is saved successfully. Then go to the software, click on import button, select the class and section. How the class and section are added, I will show at the end of the video. Select the class as a pre-KG and section I am selecting as the B section, and click on the add button. Select the file which you have saved now. the pre-KG B section, we have to select a file and click on the open button and then upload the file. Here first select the date format, and these are the suggestions which are given here. The first name not supposed to be numeric or date value, and the last name not supposed to be numeric or a date value. And the father name same, like a gender and mobile number supposed to be a numeric, and father mobile number supposed to be a numeric. These are the suggestions given here. And here, by clicking on the drop down, you can select the drop down button according to the details which you are adding. Then click on the analyze, and to analyze the details we should click on the analyze button. Then click on the next, and then click on the next, and here you should click on the import button. Here students imported successfully message is displayed. If you want to see the student details which you have imported now, select the class of the student and the section which you have selected while importing, and then click on the find button. Here are the details which you have imported will be displayed in the student master table. This is how we import a file. To add a class and section, go to the master model, select the class menu. Here we can add a classes of the student. Like click on the add button. Here some are already added details previously which we have added, which are showing in the class master table. Now I am adding the new class for the student. I am adding the class as 11th. Weight indicates the level of the class which is used by the software for internal users. For example, if there are 10 classes in a school, the lowest class will have the weight as 1 and the highest class will have the weight value as 10. This helps to display class in an order. Now I am adding the weight as 14. Here you can give a strength value as your choice. I am giving the strength value as 100. Here in the class details you can add the mandatory details. Other details you can add or else you can skip it. Now I am selecting the division. For class 11th I am selecting division as the higher, and then click on the add button. Here 11th class added successfully message is displayed. Then click on the close button. Once you create a class, then you can add a section into respective classes. Then go to the masters and select the section. These are the previously added sections. You can see in the section master table. If you want to add a new section, then click on the add button, select this section. I am adding the section as C section, and then click on the add button. Here C section added successfully message will be displayed. Then click on the close. The declaration of section is required to specify the number of sections present in a class. Thank you for watching this video.